Yo po, good evening po.
Tama na yun sir, yung kanina yung may gray na gate na pinasukan niyo po. Baba
Okay.
na lang kayo sir, yung parking lane mga motor.
Doon.
Opo.
Okay, sige po.
So yan, yung parking.
What's up mga guys? Ito yung
ng
parking
Camp
nila
1.
dito sa Kaesyo.
Ng Camp 1. Yan. So akyatin. So may akyatin. Kaingin. Campsite yan sa kanan. Dito tayo sa kaliwa. Ayan, akit na tayo papuntang Kaesyong Camp 1. So ito, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22. Yun ang entrance. So exit to. Sa entrance tayo dumaan. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Hindi nakakahingal. Yun naman ang Kaesyong extension. May pool din. Ito yung aking boss. Yun, meron siyang ano, dito yung registration. Yan. Camp rule. Yan, so may duyan-duyan. 30 strip. Ay, 30 step.
Ano sabi niya? Ano daw?
So yan yung campsite ni Kaesyong. So doon tayo sa dulo. Ay, oo nga no, may galon. Sayang no? Oo. So dito meron siyang 7-Eleven. Ayun. So yan, mayroong phone charging station. Yan. Wala siyang kuryente. So solar yung ginagamit nila dito. So maganda, mapuno, tahimik. Sana hanggang mamayang gabi tahimik. Pero sabi naman nila, meron silang tinatawag na quiet time. Ang quiet time nila is 10 PM, curfew hour. Yan. Oo nga, nakita mo. So malamig, malilim dito. Ito ang Camp Nature. Kaya nga, Kaesyong Camp 1. Camp Nature siya kasi makikita mo yung mga napagandang tanawin. Ayan o. Napagandang bundok. So hindi siya kalbo. Kakalbuhin pa lang. Yan. Lamig no? Sarap ng ano, ng hangin or yung klima. So yun mga kalaboy, camping dahil kay Mrs. Ako talaga is riding in tandem. Pagra-rides talaga ako, mga long ride. So ngayon, nabago na naman yung ihip ng hangin. Si Mrs. Inadik ako sa pagka-camping. Yan tuloy, gusto ko lagi weekly camping kahit ayaw niya. Pwede na wala siya pa umaya, ako naman nag-addict sa pagka-camping ngayon. Maganda po kasi mag-camping kasi nakaka-relax na malayo ka sa stress. Pero kasama mo ka-stress. Yan, dito tayo. So, tahimik, payapa. Yan. Kasi pag nandun ka sa Maynila, nandun na lahat. Pag nasa probinsya ka, ganito maririnig mo. Wala kang maririnig kundi ibon, simoy ng hangin, malilim. Maaraw siya pero hindi mo masasabing mainit. Yan.
Woke up with your name on my screen again. 3 a.m. guess I ain't sleeping in. You say hope you're good, I hit you back slow, but I know you just wanna see if I'm low. Whiskey in a solo, ash on the dash. Still riding past the place we.
Ayan, may kubo. Ayan, may kubo sila. Yung kubo sila 5. Nipa. Number 2. Rent. 500 pesos. Scorpio hour, 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. Lamang.
Still hear your voice in the static. Girl, we were magic. Now it's just habit. We were burning like a backroom flame. Now I'm out here missing your name. Got a full tank and a hard hat, bro. Trying to outrun what hurts the most. You were heaven till you slammed the door. Now I'm speeding toward what was it for? Yeah, I keep running, but I just crash. Guess I'm heading nowhere fast. You're out in LA with a brand new view, but every skyline just feels less you. I'm stuck in a bar in this one light town, trying to find the high that you tore down. All my boys say she ain't worth it, but every song still makes it hurt worse. I get paid just to feel broke, spending my nights on things I don't show. We were burning like a back road flame. Now I'm out here missing your name. Got a full tank and a hard hat, bro. Trying to outrun what hurts the most. You were heaven till you slammed the door. Now I'm speeding toward what was it for? Yeah, I keep running, but I just crash. Guess I'm headed nowhere fast. These songs, these shows, but one more night back in your clothes. But you're a ghost now in my past, and I'm just chasing things that don't last. We were burning like a back road flame. Now I'm out here drowning in pain. Got a new girl, but it don't feel right. She don't know she's just a fight with the night. You were heaven till you slammed the door. Now I'm speeding toward what was it for? Yeah, I keep running, but I just crash. Guess I'm headed nowhere fast.
I'll tell you one thing, I've never been much for rain, and it's not my place to give advice. Wish I could save you heartache and the sleepless nights, give you the cheap coats to get by. The tides always change. All it takes is good luck and letting go. Flicking the match, let the fire grow. I love and I love and I love what it feels like. Good friends till we get old, so we can play back our videos. No matter the low, we get high on the good times. It's always a good time. It's always a good time. Happy enough if I can catch the sunset with my love by my side. Don't have the right to how to live your life. I know it's wrong, but you're not. Good luck and letting go. Flicking the match, let the fire grow. I love and I love and I love what it feels like.
mga kalaboy, motocamp man tayo, sumubok tayo ng motocamp. Hindi po pala biro ang motocamp. Ang dami mong dala. Ang hirap maging motocamper din pala. Hindi rin pala biro. Kita mo yan. Kulang pa yan. Wala pa yung power station dyan. Yan, alam, motocamp pa tayo. O, cheap pa rin daw, motocamper. Kita mo yan. Wawa naman yung scooter na to, si Candy. Pinuno na ng tent, mga gamit. Kusina yata na lang ito eh. Ano mga kalaboy. Kita-kits na sa mga next vlog.
I stay sweet, drink my water. My folks say I'm a good daughter. A lot of ways I've been lucky, but my heart